Good day. Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com. And I just finished like a 70-minute training session for members. By the way, if you're not a member, you can join on a trial and then check out these training sessions that I do, which are every Monday. I try to get them at a half an hour. They're always at least twice that because we have a lot of questions and I'm chatty. So anyway, that's that. But what I want to show you today is Constellation Energy, CEG. Now, this is in the nuclear space, and earnings already out of the way. So we're looking for earnings first quarter of next year, basically dead balls in the center of the first quarter next year. And so in the meantime, this thing is trending higher. You see, it hadn't been trading that long as an IPO, and I would imagine it was a spinoff, but I don't know for sure. I don't really research it that close on these new ones, but you can see on the weekly chart, this is in just a real nice stair-stepping pattern. Okay, and then now we're just getting this kind of sideways trade here. So this continues to work. And if you look at on the daily chart, not exactly in a squeeze per se, but frankly at 13% width on the Bollinger Bands back here, this is actually pretty squeezy relative to so many other stocks. And back here, this was even more squeezy. That's a word that I just made up. I don't think it's a real word, but it should be. 10% here. So this is a stock that squeezes and then breaks out, squeezes and breaks out. This is in the consolidation mode right now. And this is, in my view, a stock that you definitely want to track. Now, these breakouts don't, like other than this one, these breakouts don't tend to run a mile. And so if you happen to miss the breakout here, and first of all, breakouts aren't working. I've proven that myself, and not in a good way. If you happen to miss the breakout, say at 96, I don't think you're missing out on a whole boatload of gains. I think the stock just kind of gradually chugs higher. What I would want to do is track this stock. Maybe go ahead, and here I'll do it here. Just go ahead and set an alert for if the stock breaks out so you get the heads up. But then maybe also set an alert down here so that you get an alert. I don't want to do a custom sort. So you get an alert if the stock pulls back to this level. So what you're doing is you're putting this thing in a box to where right now, no reason to buy the stock. But if it pulls back, then you want to look for some kind of firmness at 89, 88, something like that. And then that way you can take an early entry with a stop just below last Wednesday's low of 86.33. So maybe like right down there. So that's how I would be trading this stock. Of course, you make your own decisions. That's the way trading goes. But this is how I would trade it. So, okay, that's it. And by the way, if you haven't joined Stock Market Mentor, I think now, and you're interested in trading better, now's a good time to do it. We'll be holding a Black Friday sale on Black Friday, the usual deal on the weekend or on the Thanksgiving Day weekend. But I'm doing this a little bit different. And I'm going to send it out just to members first. So anyway, just a thought for you, and I'll see you next time.